Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Ray O'Daniel and I want to thank you very much for visiting. Right now, if you're at this channel, most likely you have interest in a software called Highlevel, or sometimes referred to as GoHighlevel. What I've done is I've got a lot of videos on my channel that go over every particular feature of GoHighlevel and gives you an example of how to use it. But this particular video, what I really want to focus on is offering people a free course that I've created. Right now, I am a GoHighlevel affiliate. If you do sign up with GoHighlevel or Highlevel software, I appreciate it if you use my affiliate link below. It really does help me out and support the channel. Now, for those people that are interested in getting set up through Highlevel, Highlevel is I wouldn't say complicated, it's just a bunch of different tools that can kind of be overwhelming initially if you want to get signed up. Most people don't know where to get started, don't know the first step, the second step, and how to move through and get all of the things they need configured in the system in order to have it functional in their business and to also get their clients set up. So to solve this particular problem, I've created a free course. Now what I'm going to do is, you're looking at the free course right now, and I'm going to go over just some of the things involved in this to kind of show you what you get. Because right now the goal of this channel is to give you the best possible GoHighlevel information with no fluff. If you know me or you've watched my videos, I'm a no fluff kind of guy. I'm purely informational and try to be a little bit educational and entertaining. So let's get back to the course here. So let's go over and just kind of see the modules that you're going to get inside the course. And we're going to kind of describe some of the modules as we go through it. If you are interested, follow the link in the description below to get this free course. Again, this is free. When I say that, there are no obligations, nothing at all. If you've already signed up with Highlevel using somebody else, sorry to say, please feel free to use my course anyway. I'm just here to help you out, and I'm just here to give as much as I possibly can. Now, I do want to put a plug in. If you do sign up using me on my Highlevel affiliate link, then I do offer bonuses. I do offer support for you getting things up and going. This is just a free course. I do have other bonuses that I offer, from some snapshots that really have a lot of automation that your business can use, as well as automations that you can then deploy to your clients to help them out as well, and maybe even charge them for it. But I also do have some additional courses and so forth once you get on there to help out with maybe like onboarding, things like that, that can really help agencies up and get started. So I do want to at least put a plug in for that there are some bonuses if you sign up or even upgrade to the Highlevel plan using my link. So let's get to it. I know it's kind of hard to see at this resolution, so I'm going to blow this up a bit here. So just to make it a little bit more visible. Now, I want to put just a little note out here. This particular course. This course is not a complete soup to nuts over everything that has to do with Highlevel. No, I do not want to do that to you. Right now, what this course was built for, this course was built to help people from maybe even making a decision on what type of plan to choose from, how to get signed up, how to get your account created, what's the first thing you do when your account gets created, how to connect up all of your other services like Stripe, how do you get your social media connected, how do you get connected to Google. All of these things can be a little bit overwhelming, and trying to figure out where to go inside of Highlevel to get them done. So this course is meant literally to be a step-by-step. Take this course, get this set up. Take this course or this module and get this set up. And the entire course, and I put up here, it's like this course was designed to get agencies up and 80% functional on Highlevel within one business day. Now, notice I didn't say 100%. Okay, again, I'm a no fluff guy. There's no way I can get your business 100% set up online, because there's some things custom to your business that only you know. Now, when I say 80%, what I mean are just some of the core fundamentals. And I'm hopping ahead of myself. I do want to go over the modules sort of module by module and let you know what's going on inside of the course. But it's meant to get you 80% sort of functional setup, and right from the very get-go. Now, this entire course is about 4.5 hours. If you watch every video that's on here that I have, it's about 4.5 hours worth of solid training. If there are some modules in here that don't really apply to you, then just skip them, and that would make the implementation time that much faster. So let's take a look at this. I'm going to move this over a little bit. We have just the module set up here, just an introduction. Again, that's just a few minutes long. Keep in mind, I think the longest thing I have in this module is about a 35-minute module, and that deals with like calendar and user configuration, because those are a little bit more complicated and have a little bit more in-depth information with getting things set up. If you do use calendars and if you do have a lot of users to get set up, how to do it right the first time so you're up and going right. But that's about it. Most modules are anywhere between 5 and 15 minutes long. So just want to give you an update here. So I do want to just right here from the introduction, I'm going to open this up and just kind of show you what a module would look like. And I'm not going to do this to every module here, but the introduction module, and I'm going to expand this back out. So notice the high level module here, it just has a little video that you can take a look at here. I do recommend looking at the information below because there is some additional things. For instance, this right here is a get started guide that's offered by the GoHighlevel system that has a lot of great videos for you to look at later just as a resource for you. But here's my affiliate link. So if you do want to sign up, you can use this affiliate link to get signed up. And if you do have any particular questions, I do offer a little link to get set up with a coaching call with me, just more of what it's a strategy call to kind of really work out some of the bugs and help you overcome some of the issues with Highlevel. Because the goal is to get you set up as quickly as possible on GoHighlevel, get your clients set up as quickly on GoHighlevel, and to get you making money all within the free trial period that you have, just so that you can see how well it works. And then once everything's up and going, you can sign up and become a GoHighlevel user just like me. So this is kind of how it's structured. You will see the other modules here. But other than that, let's pop back here to the main screen. Now on this level, we have introduction, pricing and plans. Now you don't need to watch this if you already have an account. If you're unfamiliar about all the three pricing plans, there is a 97, 297, and 497 plan. Me personally, just real quick and short, I always recommend the 497 plan, not because it's the most expensive. That's not why I do it, because you get the most benefit. The 497 plan gives you so many additional revenue streams that you could profit from your clients. It's well worth the additional couple $100s a month. I do have a lesson at the very end of this that you could watch that explains all the additional revenue streams, but I definitely recommend the 497 plan because that is the best plan overall with all the features that you get. So creating your high-level account just from going to the main page after you use my affiliate link, how do you get signed up, what the next process is, the emails you get, how to log into your account, and how to get everything configured. Just as a step-by-step video for that one. Agency account, this is really one of the big first things that you need. Once you get your account set up and get logged in, your agency account. Now, if you watch some other videos, your agency account is sort of a high-level account. You have your agency account, and then you have all of your sub-account levels underneath that. So the agency account is where you need to get set up first, get all of it configured, and then you can move to the company account setup or the location level or sub-account level. There's several different naming conventions for that particular level, so I want to make sure I give them all to you. So how to get your agency account set up, then move into how to get your company account set up, how to get your Stripe account set up if you have Stripe. If you already have Stripe, you don't even need to look at this particular video. You can just simply click on the Connect Stripe button that you'll see on your dashboard, put in your username and password for your Stripe account, and then just like that, Stripe is connected, so you wouldn't even need to watch this video. The integration setup here, that goes back to connecting with Google, connecting with Facebook, connecting all of these external connections that GoHighlevel has that allows people to connect with you from those. So when you connect with Google My Business, for instance, any of the Google chat messages from the Google My Business starts being pulled into GoHighlevel. So you can see those and you can actually have automations that run off of that. But I'm not going to get any further than that. All of the integration set up here when you integrate with Highlevel has automations that can determine where the message came in from and respond back to those people on the appropriate channels. But in order to do that, you do have to have the integrations set up first. So that's a quick video that shows you how to do that. The SaaS configurator. This is an awesome tool and it is only available at the 497 level. So the SaaS configurator is really the main automation hub piece of how you bring all the new clients on. All the automation that happens, all of the products and services that you're going to offer to your clients are all configured in the SaaS configurator setup. So I think this is maybe a little bit of a longer, this might be a 15-minute video on this one, but it's not that hard. Just watch the video, put in your price points, select what options you want to give your clients, and that's all you need to do. Click save. Highlevel then connects to your Stripe account. Again, that's a good point. Stripe has to be connected before you do this, but Highlevel will push all of those products and services into your Stripe account so that they're available as products and services later that you can configure in your funnel and websites and then set up your automations and all of your sales funnels that way. So that's that. User setup. Now, if it's just you for right now, you don't need to go through all of this user setup here. User setups are really for people that have a team. If you have a sales team, coordination team, if you have office managers, if you have VAs, this is a comprehensive setup of how to get that user set up. If you want to have a phone number assigned to that particular person, how do you assign that person a phone number? How do you set up voicemail? How do you set up security so that they only have access to what they need to see and not the entire system? All of that kind of stuff. This is a longer video. This is more of a 30-minute or 35-minute video. Well worth the watch if you have users. Once you know how to set a user up, you can just simply set them up the same way every time because this video walks you through every step that you need and all the possible configurations that you would have inside of Highlevel. So the next thing is domain setup. When you have if you want to bring in websites, if you want to bring in your landing pages, your funnels, how do you connect your domain? Now, you don't register your domains with Highlevel, but you do connect your domain. So you would transfer when somebody goes to, for instance, my site, rayodaniel.com. That's my blog site. So if I wanted to have that, I would have to set that domain up inside of Highlevel so that it's ready to receive those requests. And I need to tell Highlevel where to send visitors when they come in. Like, do I send it to a website? Do I send it to a funnel? So how do you get that domain set up here? This is a real quick, a short video. And right now, setting up a domain, if you have access to your domain register, you do need to create a couple of DNS entries. But if you can do that, this can be set up in 5 minutes. And you're up and going, setting up all your domains. So then you could transfer or build your websites inside of Highlevel. And of course, you have unlimited websites and you never pay hosting fees for your websites ever again. So the next one is the phone system. If you do want to have a phone system, which I highly recommend, there's a phone system integration built into Highlevel. So using the phone system allows you to track like the number of callers that you get, what time they called, and all the reporting that comes along with that gets included when you set up the phone. Now the phone system is like, how do you set it up? How do you assign numbers? How do you go get new numbers? Maybe how would you assign a number to a user? How do you set up a company phone number? How do you set up all of the settings for like voicemail and things like that? All of that is inside of the phone system setup if you want to use it inside of Highlevel. If you don't, then just skip this module and move on to the next one. Calendar setup. I will tell you this is a longer video for the calendar setup. There are lots of options that you have inside of the calendar. Very comprehensive. It's a very robust calendaring system, but it's not complicated. It's just a couple of different choices that you have to go and select whenever you create each calendar. Now, if you have a sales team and you have multiple sales calendars, this could take you, a couple of hours initially to get all of the calendars set up, get them connected to the users, get all of the everything set up. So this is a little bit longer of a video, but well worth the watch if you do utilize that. Next is going to be reputation management. Reputation management is completely built into Highlevel. For instance, how do you keep track of reviews? How do you request reviews? How do you just do all of that stuff? How do you customize your SMS and email messages for your reviews? And how all of that stuff works and how to configure all the workflows. So reputation management, how do you get that set up? I know I went through and it sounds like a lot. You can get reputation management set up in under 10 minutes. It is not that difficult. Again, it's a lot of just different choices that you have to make initially. Once that's all initially set up, that's all you need to do, and everything else is completely handled, and all you do is send out review requests, and everything is completely done after the initial setup. Now, next thing we have is a chat widget. This is the actual thing that's on your website that you will have that actually creates a connection between people visiting your website and responding to you. There can be some automation there, but how do you get that chat widget set up here? If you have a website inside of Highlevel, it is super easy to do that. If you have a website outside of Highlevel, again, it's super easy. There's just some code you have to copy and paste into your website, and boom, you have a fully functional web chat widget on your site available to accept requests and communicate with your customers. Now, one of the cool things is that inside of the chat widget, you can actually integrate Chat GPT with this and do some automation AI stuff with your customers. Pretty cool, and that's completely been done inside of Highlevel. Not for you, it does require some setup here, but I don't have that in this one. I just want to give you that little particular bonus in case you do want to get it set up here. But the chat widget is just how to get the base core system set up. Next, PayPal integration. If you do want to set up PayPal, this is how you do it. Dashboard customization, this isn't a must, but if you do want to brand Highlevel here, now at the $297 and $497 plans, those are the white labeled versions, which means you can put your own logo, you can customize it, you can use your own URL to access the GoHighlevel system, making it look like your software. However, the interface to GoHighlevel is the same for everybody. So some people may want to customize the way GoHighlevel looks and feels. Well, how do you do that? There are some paid versions of that. I don't subscribe to that. If you want to spend a little bit of time, and I'm not going to lie, it may take you an hour or two to go through and maybe change certain colors, change the size of your logo, kind of customize the way it looks and feel. There is a free tool to do that, and it's under Dashboard Customizations. That's a great video to watch, and that could really just configure and just make it look more branded to your particular company. Next is going to be a snapshot setup. I'm not going to go over snapshots right here, but it's a very powerful deployment tool for all of your clients to deploy out new fixes and new features to them as well. And it also is included in the SaaS configurator. So when people create a new account, certain types of snapshots, like information you want to put into their account, can be configured. Now, how do you do that? How do you build a snapshot? How do you save it? How do you use it? All of that stuff is configured in the snapshot setup here. So I just want to give you that real quick. And then the last part of this module, is additional income streams. I did show you that in the very beginning. Like if you're at the $497 plan, how can you do all of these additional, make all this additional money? It is super cool. I'm not going to give it away. You'll have to take a look at it here. But if you're an agency and you have clients, you can make additional money off them for free. Dude, it's for free using the same services that GoHighlevel has. So that right there is it. I mean, I wanted to really put the course together. I'm going to blow this back out here. So we have 18 lessons in here. Use them if you want, but please, if you haven't, if you're in you're going to be using GoHighlevel, sign up for the free course if you think this is going to be worth it to you. I really just want to break down all the modules, what you get with this, and I'm here to help you out. And of course, if you're looking to sign up for Highlevel, I would appreciate you helping me out as well. Signing up using my affiliate link, it does help me out here. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, if there's information that is not covered in my course or any videos, what I would suggest is please just drop a comment on any video about the topic that you want to know about. I do respond to all of my comments as quickly as I can, giving them answers and giving them solutions here. Now, ultimately, when you get your solutions and you get your company set up here, then obviously you're going to be up and running, but that's my goal, is to get you there as quickly as possible. So again, thank you so much for watching my video, and you have a great day.